Facebook flagging your reels as unoriginal. Let's fix your content strategy without starting from scratch. Are you using training audio or your own original sound? Let me know in the comments below. First, edit templates significantly, change durations, add your own text overlays, and insert custom transitions between clips. For audio, remix sounds using Facebook's audio library instead of direct copies. Even 10% pitch adjustment helps avoid detection. Shoot 3 to 5 seconds of new footage as intro or outro. This tricks the algorithm into seeing your reel as transformed content. If flagged unfairly, appeal through Creator Studio with a polite note explaining your edits. Include timestamps of original elements. Reels with facecam footage get more originality leeway. Even quick reaction shots help. Seeing better results. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.